Alright, Mac users, listen up. Ever wanted to capture that perfect meme or maybe expose your friend's embarrassing online shopping cart? Well, fear not. Today, we're diving into the magical world of screenshots. Let's get snapping. The most basic yet incredibly effective way to capture your entire screen is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. Ready? Hold down Command plus Shift plus 3. Poof! Your entire screen is now a picture. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh. Want to capture just a part of your screen? No problem. Hold down Command plus Shift plus 4. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture. It's like lassoing a screenshot. Need to capture just one window? No sweat. Hold down Command plus Shift plus 4 again. Instead of clicking and dragging, hover your cursor over the window you want to capture and click. Voila! Your window is now a picture. Now, for the grand finale. Want to capture a specific window without even clicking? Hold down Command plus Shift plus 4, then hit the space bar. Your cursor will turn into a camera. Hover over the window you want to capture and click. Boom! Instant window screenshot. You're welcome. And there you have it. You're now a screenshot ninja. Go forth and capture the digital world to your heart's content. Whether it's for work, play, or just plain fun, you've got this. End with a playful wink and a thumbs up. On-screen text, Screenshot Master. Call to action. Subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.